Hi, friends. Dr. Nancy Trimbley here, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. Um, we were sad to find out recently that the therapeutic enzymatic brand that we have at the office, they're Muca Clear OTC. They are discontinuing. And I'm going to tell you what, I don't know if it's Northwest Indiana, but for some reason, everybody here has sinus issues. And we sell a lot of this, and I'm so sad that they are discontinuing it. So the Muca Clear, along with this All Clear, now All Clear they still have. This is a natural antihistamine. So for literally allergies, where your eyes are watering, your nose is running, this is really good for those type of allergies. So we're trying to replace our Muca Clear. And here's the tricky thing. I have had patients in the past who went on Mucinex, which is an over-the-counter pharmaceutical form of this guaifenesin. Let me say it again. Guaifenesin. So Mucinex is a trade name of a pharmaceutical form of this compound. And people I know have been on it for a month or two with still a cough. And then they're on this Muca Clear for 3 days and they're better. Their cough is better. And I find this is really good for sinus congestion, lung congestion, coughs, persistent sinus gunk in the back of your throat. So what are we going to do? We have to replace it. Now, unfortunately, the Muca Clear, I believe, has 3 separate active ingredients. One is guaifenesin. The second one on the label I see is they use slippery elm. And I would take slippery elm lozenges as a kid, and it helps to coat your throat. So it has slippery elm, and then also has fenugreek. So I'll share a screen with you. I'm going to show you, let's see, I went on doTERRA to see if they had fenugreek oil, and they do not. I did some research on fenugreek oil. Well, research, I put it into the search engine and I came up with this Dr. Axe article about fenugreek, and it is known as an expectorant, which relieves congestion by expelling phlegm. And actually, in traditional Chinese medicine, the fenugreek herb is known as a phlegm mover. So I think this is super important to have this fenugreek along with the guaifenesin. I did find multiple guaifenesin tablets. This one is 400 milligrams each. The Muca Clear is only 200 milligrams. Okay, so I'm not sure about that. That one wasn't good. Here's another one with 400 milligrams. Some of these other ones, they are time released. Here's one. Yeah, here's a time release one. It lasts for 12 hours, and this one is 1,200 milligrams. Maybe you need that if it's going to last 12 hours. I'm not sure. But we will be hard at work trying to figure out how we can replace the Muca Clear. If anybody from Integrative Therapeutics is on this YouTube channel right now and can leave a clue in the chat, that would be awesome. So we'll be looking to replace that. Bye for now. Hey guys, it just goes to show if you just keep looking, you might find it. I will share screen so you can see what I'm looking at. I am looking at Air Power, which is a guaifenesin supplement that has fenugreek extract, and it has marshmallow root, which is not slippery elm, but it's very similar in that it soothes and kind of makes slick the air passages. So awesome. I found it. I'll make sure we have this at the office for you. And if you're out there in the world, not close to my office, this is Nature's Way Air Power. Gotcha. Bye for now.